sell handmade wooden furniture on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So to get started first, I will explain Etsy.com for you. So Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your handmade products or your own products in general, or where you can buy other people's products. So let's get started by clicking on the shop manager button in your top right. Then we will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, as you can see, we have 6 steps to go through. So first comes shop preferences, then naming your shop, then stocking your shop, choosing how you'll get paid, setting up your billing information, and then setting up your shop security. So let's get started from the first step. So here, click on leave. Let's get started from the first step, where you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So here, let's change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And in the next step, we choose the name of our shop. So here, let's remove this. And then I'm going to choose my niche's name as my shop's name, which is handmade wooden furniture. Then I will go to shorten it to make it between 4 and 20 characters, like this. And it seems like it's already taken. So you can choose one of these names in here, or you can just adjust it a little bit, like changing or adding a number, like this. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop, and it means adding some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here we start with photos. Add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And guys, before we proceed to adding photos and completing these tips, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill, starting with the photos. So here, in order to proceed to the next step, you will need to fill all of these fields, starting with photos, as you can see in here. So you will need at least to upload 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. Also, you will need to fill the price field. Then we have the listing details. You will also need to fill all of these red fields. Then we have the shipping settings, where also you're required to fill or to complete all of these red fields. So let's start with photos. So here, for tips, make sure to use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. So here, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. And videos is not like the photos, it's not required. As you can see in here, we have no video in these required fields. So it's better to have one, but it's not necessary. So if you just have it, you can upload it. If not, there is no problem. Then we proceed to the listing details, and it's where you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. You type a good title for your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have I did. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, another of my shop, another company or person. So let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? So here we have three categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, and specifically between 2020 and 2023. Then we have the category. So here you type a 2 or 3 word description of your item to get category suggestions that will help more shoppers find it. So here just type your product's name, and then you will find a lot of categories to choose from. So let's go with the first one. Then here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product, secondary color, the width, height, depth, and if it's recycled or not. And all of these are optional, as well as the sustainability. You can choose from these options. You can select up to 3. Then you have the style, and then we have the renewal options if you want to choose the automatic renewal or the manual renewal. And keep in mind that the automatic renewal costs 20 cents each time, and the manual is free. Then you have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, if you want to write a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here. You can add their details. If not, you can just close this. Then you have the section, tags, and materials, which we're going to leave for later. Then you fill the pricing field here. Make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your shoppers or clients. Then we have the shipping settings. So here, make sure to fill all of these red fields: the origin postal code, processing time, also the standard shipping settings, everywhere else also. Then if you want to add another location, you can do that. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges policy. So you can choose the 30 days policy in here by clicking on apply, or you can choose another policy by creating your own policy using your own terms. And when you're done, guys, click on save and continue in order to proceed to the next step. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.